Okay, I'm going to walk you through how to upload a picture of your lecture notes to Blackboard from your phone. So you're watching a screen recording of my phone, and your phone should be similar. I'm using an Android phone, so I think it'll be similar whether you're using Android or iPhone or something else. But you're going to need to use a smartphone, and you're going to need to download the Blackboard app. So I'm going to take you from the very beginning. I've already entered a lot of my credentials in for logging in. So you may have a few more things you have to do with that. But um, so I'm going to accept these cookies, and then I have my login information stored. Okay, so I'm going to sign in, and I'm going to show you from a current class that I'm teaching. This won't be uh, your class necessarily, but it should be the very similar process. I'm going to go up here and click those, what they call a hamburger menu in the top left there. I'm going to click that. I'm going to click courses. And then from here, you're going to select the course that you're in. So I'm just going to select this one here as an example. And yours will look very similar to this. So once I am in the course, I'm going to click course content here about middle ways down, course content. And then you're into the class in Blackboard. This probably looks a little bit familiar. There's weekly schedule. I'm going to click weekly schedule, and then I'm going to select the week that I need to turn in the lecture notes. So I'm just going to select, I think, the week that I start here collecting lecture notes in this class is the one of the week of September 6th. So I'm going to select that. And if you look at the second item from the top here, submit lecture notes based on the Tuesday lecture. So yours will be, a similar thing. It'll say submit your lecture notes, but I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to be taken here. Oh, it says there seems to be an issue, and so sometimes you may run into problems like this. So let me back out. Let me try again. Here we go. So it says at the very bottom, start attempt one. So I'm going to click start attempt one. And so let's say you've already taken a picture of all your lecture notes. So let's say you've got 3 pictures of your lecture notes that you're wanting to upload. So you can do that this way. You're going to, this box where it says you can add text, images, and files, I'm going to touch that area, and it opens up this for me. You see the plus here on the top right menu next to what looks like a chain, but it's the plus sign. You're going to click that plus sign, and it says insert files. So I'm going to click insert files, and on my phone, it's going to take me to my pictures and my videos and various things. So if I select images at the top there, so I'm just going to select this first image. Of course, this is not my lecture notes, but just to show you an example. And this is what it's done. It's uploaded it from my phone into here, and you can just leave all those options as they are, and then click save, and then there it is. It appears in that screen. So let's say I have another one that I want to do. Click plus sign again, um, insert files, and you can just keep adding them in. So another one would be this picture here, and it's going to put it all in there. It's going to approve of all that. Click save, and then that picture, I'm going to minimize my keyboard. I was working on my refrigerator. That's what that is. But you can see how they're posted in there. Now, you could submit. This is actually past due for this assignment, if you will, but you could click submit late or submit, and after you submit, blah, 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 that's fine. So I'm going to submit, and then it tells me it was successful. And then I click close. Now, if you wanted to do one file, you can upload as many files as you want. So see where it says start attempt 2 at the bottom? I could submit another file. So if you want to do one file, one image per attempt, that's fine. You can do any number of attempts that are uploading your pictures as you would like to do. So that's how you do it. And we're done. Let me know if you have any questions.